welcome guys. So this is also a new question called a truncate sentence. Okay. Before I start, please subscribe to my channel. Okay. So sentence is a list of words that are separated by a single space, right? So basically, if you read the definition, that's just sentence, right? So sentence is just composite of words. Right? You start from the first one, second one, third one. Okay, and then you give a sentence S, right? So this is S, and the integer K, and then you need to truncate integer S, right, by the first K. So basically, for example, if this is hello, how are you, contestant, K equals to 4, so that means 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And then you get the first 4 of them, right? So your result will be hello, how are you, right? So basically, you truncate, right? And also this one. Okay. So this one is very easy to this done by Python. So you can first split. So when you split, right, then it will create this list, right, and then you just join this list, right, and but you join only the first K component, right. So that's, and then there is a space that you need to connect each element in the list. Okay, so this is the answer. So basically, you can solve this one by using the Python dictionary. Sorry, not Python. Python some special function provided in Python. So this you see is very fast.